Yo, I can't even front right now. I'm screaming like a little girl inside. Dead ass. Stay tuned. Thanks for checking back out the channel. No likes needed. No likes needed. Yeah, I think I said it right. But my words is all splurred and mixed up right now because I did it. I pulled off another one and another one, as Khaled would say. But I ended 2020 last video off with an L, and I said I was gonna do my top 5 cops of 2020, but I wasn't motivated because it wouldn't be a real top 5 pickups without these. So I scrapped the video and was like, you know what? I'm gonna start off with 2021 with a dub, and I got it done for not too much over retail. Not bad, not bad, if I say so myself. So let's talk about it. How much did I pay for these? You know, you see them going for, in my size, I'm a size 12, probably like a day after they dropped. The first, second, and the third, you will see them for like a G, 1200. I didn't pay 1200. I didn't pay 1100. I didn't pay 1000. I didn't pay 900. I didn't pay 800. I didn't pay 700. I'm in the 6s, the mid 6s. I'll just give you a number. I paid 670. A deal. And I'm happy with the purchase, real talk. I was prepared to pay like $750 for them after retail, but I guess, again, times is hard, pandemics, you know what I'm saying? People ain't really want to drop that type of bread on some shoes like a 1,000, 1,200, like y'all got them listed for, like people think they're gonna be listed for. But maybe like in a year or two, they for sure will be at least 1,000, for sure. But let's do this unboxing, even though I already took this one out because I was too excited. And yes, I still am screaming like a little girl inside. But let's look at the box and see what the contents hold. I don't even know how to work these. I think I got to download the app for them or something like that, but we'll see. Yeah, that was me doing the sound effects.
sucking the fuck out my foot.